crazy clicks platform. As I told you, we are building a web hosting provider for you guys. So in this, your dashboard will look exactly like this. So I'm going to rush straight to what we want. Let me show you. Here is where you configure your emails, but it's not important for now. The most important thing, we are going to use the WordPress platform, which is the most powerful platform in the world, powering various thousands and thousands of websites. Even the most popular that you know, like SABC, they are on WordPress. So we're going to go to Softaculous app installer, search for Softaculous app installer. We're going to click this is called the WordPress icon. We're going to install our WordPress. I've already bought my domain already and web hosting. So I'm going to make sure that this is HTTPS. Make sure you leave this field blank. Don't forget to leave it blank so that you don't struggle with installation. So our shop is called Fragrance X. And here we're going to put a tagline called South Africa. South Africa. Premium store. We're going to create a very secure password here. And here I advise you to change this forms part of your website security to something which you remember. Obviously I'll blur this part so that you can see. I'll have to blur this part obviously so that you don't see my admin here, because please don't know. Here you can leave the admin email is okay. It already installs some few plugins in here for you. I advise you to some of the things just leave it like that. Then click install. I'm going to provide you with a checklist so that you know where you are at a point in time. What I've done here, I have installed the WordPress website. What else do I do? Yeah, we will install the WordPress website. Now we need to log into the WordPress website. If you check this link, it's very important. If you use it with your username and password which you would have set, you can log into your WordPress back end. And the other way, per se you've forgotten your logins, you can come to your cPanel here. After coming to your cPanel, locate Softaculous app installer, apps installer. Then go to this box icon, then click the human icon. You can see this is your login dashboard where you put in your details, and if you do this way without logging in, this is your new website. Nothing on it, and with only cookies are welcome. I'm going to build a nice website here. So the first thing is we're going to clean